Hello friends, welcome to Mass Education. Today is Hiroshima Day. It is observed on August 6 every year to promote peace politics. It is the day when in 1945 an atom bomb was dropped in the city of Hiroshima, Japan. The bomb was equivalent to the power of 12 to 15,000 tons of TNT and known as the Little Boy. It reduced 4 square miles of the city to ruins, killing almost 80,000 people and injuring about 35,000. After 3 days, another atomic bomb was dropped in Nagasaki, Japan. As a result, the Emperor of Japan, Hirohito, announced unconditional surrender in World War II on the radio on August 15 by informing the power of a new and most cruel bomb. This bombing ended Second World War. The plane dropped the bomb known as Little Boy at 8:15 a.m. Japanese time and it was exploded approximately 2000 feet above Hiroshima in a blast equal to 12 to 15,000 tons of TNT and destroyed around 4 square miles of the city. But Japan did not surrender in the Second World War, and then further another nuclear bomb was dropped in Nagasaki, which results in the surrender of the Japanese emperor, and in this way Second World War come to an end. What was the damage caused by the Little Boy bomb in Hiroshima? When the bomb was exploded in Hiroshima, Japan, the city was struck by a flash of blinding light, and then a giant shaped cloud was formed like a mushroom. In fact, with a 2.5 kilometer of radius, the bomb blast had flattened the buildings. Let us tell you that before dropping the bomb, there were around 90,000 buildings in Hiroshima, and after the bomb blast, only 28,000 remained. Several thousands of people were killed and injured. As we know that it was not a normal bomb, people suffered a lot even later on also. The nuclear radiation that came out from the bomb when it was exploded caused horrible illness among people. Because of these injuries, thousands of more people died and the sickness caused due to the radiation followed weeks, months and years. During the Second World War, Japan was against America and its allies including Britain and the Soviet Union. Fighting during the war was very horrible. Several soldiers were dying every day. Japan had been at war for so many years. Countries near to it, like China and Japan, together had attacked America. The US wanted to avoid Japan being occupied by the Soviet Union, and so America dropped the nuclear bomb in Hiroshima, Japan. Thank you for watching, friends. Please like, share, and comment, and also please subscribe my channel. Thank you.